Model, 2017 Vauxhall Vivaro Trafic 2700 Sport Cdti BT. Very long MOT, ready to drive away. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 101,308. MOT, the 2nd of September 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6125 PS BITURBO S SC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, air con, 2 keys, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.